Hey, Kyle here with Robbins Estate Law. So I just got off of a consultation for a client, and a beneficiary designation completely overrode their will. And so their estate plan that they thought they had is not going to work. The exact situation was we had an individual, a gentleman, we'll call him, who had $1 million in his brokerage account. And he wrote a will that says, when I pass away, I want everything to go to my wife. He had gotten married about 10 years ago, and they thought that that was going to do the job. They used an online will, so they didn't work with a professional planner. What wound up happening, though, is when his wife called me to probate the will, I had to tell her, well, okay, you do need to probate because that's how we're going to transfer his half of the home to you. But unfortunately, on the $1 million brokerage account, this particular gentleman had named his niece as the beneficiary years before they even got married. She had been on there for 20 years. They didn't know that that beneficiary trumps the will. So instead of the surviving spouse getting the $1 million brokerage account like they wanted, unfortunately, I had to tell her that the niece was going to get it. And there's really nothing we could do about it at that point in time. So if I have a message for you, is that work with a professional planner who understands these dynamics, because just because you go online and write a will, it doesn't actually necessarily mean that your wishes are going to be accomplished. You need to work with someone who understands the ins and outs of this, because beneficiary designations trump wills. So as an estate planning attorney, our job is to make sure not only are we using a will or a trust-based plan that's going to accomplish the goals that we want, but also we look at all of the assets comprehensively to make darn sure that your wishes are accomplished. Because at the end of the day, you only get one shot at this stuff, and the stakes are high. So do it right, and do it right the first time. If you have any questions about this or beneficiary designations, just give us a call at Robbins Estate Law. We're more than happy to offer free consultations for these types of questions.